today we are heading to the Safari Zoo where we will be taking pictures with beautiful giraffes and all that kind of stuff. But first we are gonna go grab breakfast at our hotel. They have complimentary breakfast, so let's go check out and see what they have. Stop. Gonna grab some drinks and then we're gonna head to the Safari Zoo. We made it to the zoo. We're gonna go and see some giraffes and yeah, it's gonna be really exciting. So right now we're on the bus. We are gonna go feed giraffes and then later on at 1:30 we're gonna come back and then we're gonna go take photos with them. It's gonna be such an experience. Yeah. So we just fed the giraffes and the zebras and that was such a cool experience, guys. So right now we're just like walking around, checking out the area. I think they have like a crocodile show or something like that. But then we'll have to be back by 1 o'clock because we have a giraffe photo shoot that we booked. Did you have fun with the feeding giraffes?
Yeah, that was intense.
They were so aggressive, like they were sticking their heads in and they were like really going at it. But yeah, it was like the coolest thing. They're super gentle. It's not scary at all. Yeah, we're just gonna browse around now. About this place is it's a zoo, so it's not an elephant sanctuary or anything. Like even earlier when we went to the elephant section, the elephants are chained up by their legs, so they don't have the freedom to flow around and all that kind of stuff. Initially I did want to go to an elephant sanctuary when we're in Bangkok, but we just don't have the time, and this was one of the areas I wanted to come check out just because I want to check out the giraffes. It was a very cool experience to feed the giraffes. but it's really sad to see like certain animals being, you know, caged up or chained up like the elephants. So it's up to you guys whether you guys want to come here or not, but I'm just throwing that out there that it's not for everybody. It is, some portions of it is really sad, so just giving you guys a heads up if you guys do decide to come here. Oh my god. It is so hot. We are currently waiting for a ride to go to get that giraffe encounter and photo op. So we're just waiting right now. It's pretty busy. It's like fully packed, so you have to book in advance. If you guys are interested, I'll put the links down below. But I'm really excited. Like, surely, this guy is burning up. He is not liking the heat. Same with me. I feel kind of oozy, so not oozy. I feel kind of woozy from the heat. Just made it to Bubbles Forest Cafe and it's so stunning here, but I've heard mixed reviews. Like, some people say that the service and everything is crap. We got a table right away just because we came here with our tour guide, or like our personal driver, and he knows people here, so we got a table right away and we're able to decide which kind of table we want. So we decided to go for the one where it comes with a swing, but our table, the swing is literally right next to the gravel, so it's not even next to the water, so it's kind of pointless. But we're gonna order a lot of food because we're really hungry and we're gonna try everything out. This is our view, and the swing I'm talking about is this one, but then there's that one right over there that has that swing right there next to the water. So much better. They have a bunch of drink options and they all look so pretty. Obviously it's a little bit overpriced, but I mean, when you're hungry it doesn't really matter at this point, so I'm gonna order a lot of food. Yep. Thank you. Oh, that was so quick. Wow.
I wonder if we can get chopsticks.
Thank you.